Now, is this an oil well right here in Ohio? Hey, leave it in the comments. This is neat. Good morning, y'all. Hey, this is our site number 855 at Atwood. So that tells you we at the Adventure Bandits Glampout. All right. Hey, enjoy these clips that's coming up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell. You know, do the 4. And don't forget, definitely subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So this is our site right here. And more to come. RV Adventure Explorer.
We're going on an adventure.
Yep, we are here.
Yesterday we couldn't win. Yeah.
Look, over breakfast, that's what
Hey guys, we here with Just Us Van Life right here. And y'all see in the background Forever Tripping. You also see Williams on the way.
Y'all got here today?
Yeah.
We got here this morning.
Yeah.
Well, around 11:30 or so.
So you all, how long did it take you? Are you all stopping at a couple places along the way?
We did. We didn't take
2
that
days.
long.
That makes
Yeah,
sense.
we did 2 days.
Yeah, it took us 2 days. Well,
Yeah.
2 days.
And this is a setup right here. They hooking it up.
Yeah. Because we looking at moving the plane over.
Oh, yeah.
We're in Frisco.
Yeah.
Oh, Frisco.
Right next door.
Yeah, we're in
We love
Frisco.
Frisco.
Yeah.
We're in Frisco.
We had
One day,
friends in Garland.
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
better than St. Louis.
Well, we stopped.
We stopped in St. Louis.
Oh.
We've
We
been
did.
to
We
Norwich.
did. We did. It's never
And went to White Castle.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
You know what? Here's the thing, though. St. Louis has good food.
ride in the car.
Yeah.
We have a lot of good food there. A lot of like original kind of food and stuff.
Right across there was a Cajun place, and I'm like, ooh.
Yeah. Because we went to the one right across from the stadium.
Oh, y'all downtown.
okay.
Yeah. Because we left the Arches,
We got in
the
there.
Arch, and then went over. Yeah, went downtown. Went
The Arches.
not McDonald's.
McDonald's. Golden orange.
Did you all go up? Did you go up in
We
it?
did.
How'd you like it?
That was fun.
Is that little chugga
I
going
was
up?
expecting a little more, but it wasn't.
It's just mainly the views, and then if it's windy, you can feel it kind of shake when you go there. We haven't been in there in years. We always say it's like the local things. You just don't do your local things. But we have a great zoo. I mean, it's free. So it's just a lot of good stuff.
I think if we had more time, I told him I wanted to go downtown and kind of see some stuff, but we didn't have time. It was like, let's get in,
And
let's
a
get
whole
out.
bunch of stuff.
Yeah. We figured.
Oh man, you got the same type I got it. Yeah.
I thought I charged it all night, but it won't even turn on.
Oh, his eyes are clean.
That's a YouTube fail.
That's fail.
We're getting there.
We getting there.
I think I haven't met.
So what we're gonna do is I want everybody to tell a little about themselves and where they're from.
All right.
And how long you been camping? And how you found us, the Adventure Bandits.
Oh.
You have to do that because I don't know how.
Oh yeah.
I
Start
found
with
them the traveling Buckeyes.
Sorry, what were we supposed to say? I was We're talking
About yourself.
Okay.
How you started camping? How long you been camping?
Okay.
And how you know us.
Okay. All right. Well, this is Corey.
Hi.
I'm Christy, and we're the Traveling Buckeyes. Corey, you've camped forever.
Yeah.
And I camped on and off as a kid, and we've been together for probably, what, 15, 16 years? 15, married for almost 13, and we started camping right after we met. And, oh, how do we meet you guys? We met you at a group camp out, and we just clicked. So,
We're Dwayne and Dina Floro, the best of us the Floros, real original name. And we've been camping a long time. We've been married 43 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
We don't look that old too.
We're kids, 7 or 8 kids.
Wow.
But recently we've been camping more. The last, 5 or 6 years. We met these guys. They probably don't remember. We were 2 years ago, 3. We met you then. I didn't know who you were then. But I started watching on YouTube. And
Daryl and
I saw
Tanya.
them go in.
We started camping in 2020. In 2020, tent camping, and we watched the Adventure Bandits in their tents. And then they had the RV, and I said I want an RV, and we went hunting for an RV. We met the Adventure Bandits at the Raleigh RV show in February of this year. But we knew after watching the first Glamp Out, we had to come to this Glamp Out. So I put on my challenging pants, and I came through the West Virginia mountains with our RV. And
You drove here.
I drove here
So how long have you been camping?
since 2020.
2020. Was that?
Since
And who's
2020.
the driver? This is
I'm the driver. Oh, girl. We have a 32-foot Keystone 26 RV Premier travel trailer.
Good for you.
I'm Rochelle. This is Terry. I guess we knew of each other in college, and then 8 years later, we kind of
I'm walking up some steps, she's walking down, she's like, hey, I know you. I was like, yeah, you look familiar. Just exchange numbers, and here we are. So
here we are married.
Yeah.
I guess almost 20 years. He's always talked about an RV, and I'm
Always.
like, I don't know about that.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, tailgating and wineries, I'll do that. But he's like, no, I want an RV, I want an RV. And he would take me to all these shows, and I'm just like, oh my gosh. I'm like, just get, this is your thing, just get what you want. So that's what he did. He finally found something, got it. And then we were kind of watching to see.
Yeah.
Like, went on YouTube looking for other people RVing, and we found you guys, and that was it.
I typed in how to use my RV. I literally typed that in. How to use my RV. How to use my RV. And you guys popped up. Yeah. And I just started watching, and then it was like a whole weekend. Like, we went through your first 3 years real quick.
And then every Wednesday we're like, oh, new one, new one. So we just started. We've been like, we're
get angry when you don't put out a new one.
Yeah. Like a year and a half.
So we're a year and a half into RVing. That's it. We're
and
doing
we've
this
been to
stuff.
like less than 10 places.
where you from?
Phoenix.
Phoenix.
Yep.
Wow.
Well, we're from Pennsylvania, but we live in Phoenix now. But yes, we came from Phoenix. And we had to be at this Glamp Out.
Yes, that's right.
And I'm just happy that we met a lot of great people. Yes, we have.
She actually volunteered yesterday.
Yeah, Michelle's been all over the place.
Yeah. I know, we're like starstruck. Like, everybody
We are.
says,
Me too,
yeah. We were
guys.
my husband had to run and get me. He was like, "Oh my God, they're in the office. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you."
That's the way it happens.
That's how everybody says though, and I'm like, we were like that too. Like, oh my God, there they are.
I'm like and Joni with those who lamp together. And we've been RVing for a long time.
We started camping back in early 2000.
We got a rig in
Got our first pop-up in 2009.
Wow. And we've been through 3 rigs, but we currently have a 5th wheel. And we really we love it. And what was the other question?
We met them in 2020 at another meetup, another YouTuber meetup, where we never spoke to that YouTuber. We met these guys that would actually speak to us.
Yep.
Oh wow.
They were so nice.
They were so sweet,
and they were some of the few people that actually spoke to us at this meetup.
Wow.
Yeah,
and we were like, well, now we're lifelong subscribers. And
then we came to their meetup last year, and like I said last night, this is what meetup should be. And it's sad to say that, because you got 2 people that have servant hearts to people around them, and it's just amazing, because that just goes, that energy goes out to everybody.
It does.
And then you get to talk to people that you would probably never have talked to otherwise. So
we've met a lot of people in these like meetups and never really meet up afterwards, but if I could challenge everybody, pick a couple or 2 and reach out and say, let's camp together.
Cul-de-sac crew.
The cul-de-sac people are camping together. I'm not on the cul-de-sac, but I want to be in the cul-de-sac.
Cul-de-sac crew. Before you go, we're A-classers too.
And outside.
We are in the ring because we're going to be seen inside.
Yeah, in the rain outside with the fire.
We were. They were like, "Why don't you go in?" I'm like, we can't. We got to stay outside. We got to get wet.
All right.
You're next.
All right. My name Juan.
I'm Jennifer.
And we are RV Adventure Explorer.
Woohoo!
We started camping.
20.
Well, I'm retired. I'm Army, and so we started. Thank you. We started camping back in 2011. We had a travel trailer, 30-foot, and we used to go out on the weekend, because in the Army you either get a 3-day or 4-day, so that was perfect. And so, and then moving on up to about 2017, we decided to come up with a 5-year plan, and we told our kids that, hey, graduate, we leaving. And then we was planning to go full-time, and then when COVID hit, it speeded up. It speeded up, because we definitely want to get out there before. Well, y'all know the cliche is when you get up about 60 years old, then you go and have fun and everything like that. I'm like, I may not make it to 60, so I'm like, hey, let me get out there and do it now, because I can. And so we got a Class A, and we traveled for a whole year, and we loved it. And we outside. And we outside. And but when we was doing the 5-year planning, we got on YouTube, because I know YouTube, because every time something breaks, I jump on YouTube. And so now I'm looking on and say, all right, what about full time? And there's a couple of channels out there. We watched them. It was wonderful. And then all of a sudden, Adventure Bandit came up, and I was like,
somebody you could identify with.
Exactly. Something I could identify with. I was like, all right. And then, and the first video I seen was, you was painting that RV all black. The windows and everything.
That was your friend.
Yeah, you was out there, you was like, I was like, what they doing? And then I started like just looking. I was like, and then I started watching more videos. I was like, oh, all right.
Question: what was the name of that all black RV that you painted all black?
I can't remember.
Nobody remember?
Nobody remember.
It was called Crybaby.
I don't remember that. I remember.
How did you get the nickname Crybaby?
Yeah.
Well, if you look at you, you start crying because you paid that much for it. But ever since then, we just like keep watching and we learned a lot of stuff, especially like the insurance stuff and
really.
And then, yeah.
Yeah, we changed our insurance policy.
Yes, we did.
So did we.
Yeah.
I finished that video.
Yeah.
We did too.
Yes.
That was a great video. Sorry that the tree fell, but it
Yeah.
taught us
I'll tell you
something.
what, though, now it's easy when you pull into a site.
Look at the
right.
tree.
Always
I'm
looking at it.
always.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the tree.
It's the overhang on this area.
Yeah.
We had friends that had a tree laying on their truck and scratched in front of their camper.
Wow.
Yeah.
Not like that.
Not like that.
Well,
Not like that.
that's it.
Been married 34 years.
All right.
How long we been married?
I quit tent camping when I got out of the Marine Corps.
Thank you for your service.
For your service.
We've been, thank you for hauling my butt around. We've been RVing about 20 years off and on. When we started, we were in Class A. But we stayed outside. So we kind of broke the...
Yeah.
We've always been outside, so we broke the Class A stigma here. We first met, Lita found you guys on your channel and was watching you. And then I first met you guys last year at the Glampout when I got volunteered for the trivia, because I didn't know it was a darn thing about you guys. I thought it was just general trivia, and I got my butt kicked. I had Mike and Joni down there as my lifeline. But it, you know, it's been great.
When we scheduled last year, we were
Yes, yeah. That happened to us too. And it was so funny. He was, well, last year when you signed up, Talmadge or Paul. Is that how it happened with you? And that's how it happened with me. And Daryl was working in the home office because we were still working from home. And I was off, but I ended up, you know, going in there and writing on a post-it note. He's on a conference call. And he's like, oh, you know, all of this. I just said, Talmadge is on his phone. And I went back in the bedroom and I was just, next thing I know, he's off the conference call and he's in there and I said, I'll put you on speakerphone. And we talked for a long time and he asked questions like, how did we first find out about them and all of that. And it was just nice to see that the person that you just like, oh, it's a celebrity, you know, on YouTube is just being a genuine, real person. You don't know it until you actually meet them, and we've met a lot of
out by the fire and he came out like, oh.
yeah, you know, you're like, oh, that.
It's okay to be known as a celebrity because you guys are so down to earth.
Yeah, you really are.
It's okay to accept the fact that you guys have a bit of celebrity because you don't act like, you don't turn your nose up.
No, you don't.
And that's the difference.
That's the big
the total
difference. It is. It's a big difference.
Texas.
No, take.
Down in Texas.
Yeah, they were
Yeah,
doing
Texas.
You had the
That
RV
rally.
Unplugged.
You got it over here.
RV Unplugged.
It was Texas.
RV Unplugged. Yeah. RV Unplugged.
Yeah.
Was at the rally.
You guys will be the next couple on.
Yeah, they. I bet I'm gonna speak it in existence.
RV Unplugged next season?
You gonna be on next season?
Are you guys be on next season of
He
RV
can't
Unplugged?
say, even if he was.
We heard it here first.
What vegetable don't he like?
All of them questions.
Asparagus.
I
don't know. Squash.
Because it's the same one you don't like.
Spinach.
I love Spanish.
Yeah.
Slide out. Who's responsible for that?
Pilot and
No.
command. That's a pilot and command. Who's the pilot and command?
How can I be a
No, whoever on the inside.
It's a team effort.
We got. He already checked. No, he already checked around. He done did his check.
It's the pilot and command. You know that. You know that.
Talmadge, when you find yourself in a hole, stop digging.
We're not saying it was your fault.
We don't know how.
We're not saying it's your fault. We're just saying you're responsible.
So we don't got no clear winner on this boat.
No, his job was to drive the boat. His wife was supposed to be.
That's what he told us.
Yeah.
We wasn't even supposed to drive it.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
You got nothing? Okay.
What's their dog's name in water?
They don't have a dog.
They don't have a dog.
Right.
You just Talmadge don't get one. 1 year,
That's right.
pull the plug.
Hey, how did you come up with the Adventure Bandits as your name?
What year did they do the polar plunge?
Where's the polar plunge? How about that?
Or what?
It was in Myrtle Beach.
What year was it?
What year?
Point.
How many years ago was it?
Did you guys live that life?
3 years.
5 years ago.
Yeah.
3 years ago.
3 years ago.
See, everybody just getting them right. We got no clear winners.
Damn. We got some harder questions. Maybe they wrote down some questions. We going off the brain.
Yeah, we don't even supposed to have the questions. They got the questions.
Okay, Addison is whose granddaughter?
Huh?
Addison is whose granddaughter?
So you already got that question right.
That just shows you how many kind of followers you got.
Yeah.
We pay attention.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got to get another question.
All right, who's the captain on the other boat and how do you know him? The Adventure Bandits.
Good one.
My name is Justice.
Justice.
How do I know him? You know what? It's a true story. And y'all gonna look at me crazy. I don't watch YouTube. You know, I don't like sit and watch YouTube. But when I thought about buying a RV, I watched just to see what RV I was gonna get, and I ran across them.
Okay.
And then, lucky so have it, I called them, we talked, and then we just found out we had a lot in common.
Okay.
So,
That's
that was
all
about
right.
3 years ago.
Now, where are you from?
I'm originally from South Carolina, but I live in Pittsburgh now.
Okay.
So when y'all see them down in Carolina, on them southern states, I'll be down there with them as well as up here because I'm back and forth. I had like 2 homes.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm up here because my wife is here, but my family is there.
Nice.
That's what makes it easy for me.
Yeah.
And yes, I am retired, so yeah.
That's what I'm
Get there. I'm trying to get there.
So if you live in Pittsburgh,
In the military.
Oh, thank you.
if you live in Pittsburgh, are you a Cincinnati Bengals fan?
I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm a car racer fan. I don't get into all that other stuff.
You can be with Daryl. My brother loves.
Yeah, that's car, any car.
Yeah.
I need one more question.
Hey, we got it.
No.
How did you create your name? How did that come about?
Oh,
I know.
I think they did. They did say that one time. Yeah.
You said it.
You said it one
You
time.
said it
Came back and
first.
said it.
Then she claimed it 6 hours later. Then you showed her the film.
That was the name of their RV.
Yeah.
Smokey in the
Yeah.
That was hilarious.
That was hilarious. Yeah, all right, you got on that one.
The name of your RV, because you said it,
Yeah,
clearly said it several
Yeah.
times, and then she came out with it after.
And she claimed it.
It just came out.
That was great.
So how many people are here this weekend for this event? We sold over 300 sites.
Nice.
Wow.
300 sites. So we had a H section, we got the B section, we got the A section.
We need a number. It's on that orange paper. I need a number.
How many sites you say you sold?
300.
So the whole park is packed. Some of these sites is open, I guess, people have, some price to buy. But the whole H section was sold out first. That sold out within a week.
I was on that phone. I sure was.
And 8 sold out the second week. By the third week, we sold out.
Wow.
And then we opened up the electric only. So we started selling the electric only. And everybody wanted full hookups.
That's right. Exactly right.
You saw that Mike's in black.
What happened?
He thinks it was what? Yeah, we were too. Yeah, he posted on the page saying that working hard.
Well, there's Jay.
We don't have the drivers there.
I don't want you doing it. Last time we was going to Key Biscayne,
Oh, there's Jay.
and they was on a boat. They took us to an island. They said somebody hop off and put it around the chalk.
That's right.
I'm like, okay, go. She goes, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Get the so we can tie it.
Look, you got it again, Johnny.
It could be her.
Johnny, tie
I'm
us
not
off.
allowed to.
Not allowed.
I got fired the last time.
Hear the story though.
I know, we got to hear the story. What
He
happened?
goes, well, you got to tie it to this thing, and he called it something. I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, that's probably one of those posts right there. I mean, he wasn't specific, and it was one of those things. And he's like, yeah, that's the wrong thing. We can pull that thing out. Like, and it jerked us like on the boat.
She whipped it around the boat.
That's the boatman right there. That's the boatman.
Thanks, Tom.
Thank you, Thomas. That was a good
Are y'all
ride.
all right?
Hold on.
Jay, y'all come out here and drive.
Oh yeah. You got it?
It's coming.
Yeah.
Come on, pull her in.
I'm headed to the bedroom.
All right. There it is.
There you go. We're on town.
Hey, what's up, man? All right. All right, guys. All right, gonna link up with Jennifer. She over there about to play bingo, and if you don't know where we at the Adventure Bandits Glampout, right here in Ohio. What is it? OH? All right, y'all got it. But yeah, just link it up with her. You know, I'll be dragging behind. So we gonna go up there, try to win some stuff. You know, and just meet, greet, and then just enjoy everybody's company. But we had a great time here so far. Yesterday was the jazz concert and just meeting people. This morning was the boat ride, and y'all see a little bit of that clip, and then y'all gonna see a little bit of clip of the jazz. And so this is the tent right here. Guys, we haven't been like actually talking that much on video. We just like y'all to see what's going on. And so now we see a tent, and I don't know if you ever hear everybody, but everybody having a great time up in here. The weather, well, it has been raining in the evening really hard. So, but let's go and crash. Let me see if I can find Jennifer. All right. Yep, there she is.
Right now.
All right. There. Alright guys, we at the bingo tent. And guess what? Your girl, Jennifer, we won one prize at bingo.
Now we should see that e-bike.
Now, yep. All we need now is the e-bike. So, e-bike, we gotta speak it into existence. Alright guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. If you already did, hey, thank you. Alright.
Candy got a show.
Mm-hmm.